Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make cheesy egg muffins in the microwave. This is the list of ingredients required. In a flat pan, heat 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Add 1 finely chopped onion and saute till it's soft. Add half teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste and fry till the raw smell goes away. Now add half finely chopped capsicum and saute on high flame for a minute. Add half a grated carrot and again saute on high flame. Then add half finely chopped tomato and saute till it's soft. To this, add half teaspoon crushed pepper, half teaspoon jeera or cumin powder and salt to taste and saute for a minute. Take a muffin tray, grease with cooking oil. Divide the fried mixture equally. Sprinkle grated cheese. Take 4 eggs which have been beaten well. Pour in the beaten eggs. Microwave this for 4 to 5 minutes. The timings may vary. Scoop out the muffins. The top of the muffin should be bright golden yellow and set well, and the bottom should be done well and not liquid. Your egg muffins are ready. If you like this video, please like and share it. And for more such fun recipes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.